makare kata kamano ibiro yudo gi jatend piny Kenya masani William Ruto. Mama Kisumo kagirado kod jopiny e nyayo kwe kendo neno ni ji duto oloso kod dwol achiel.
And this is coming after the general election, which was very hotly contested. We had a candidate from this region who garnered enormous number of votes, and of course did not pronounce the winner. But nevertheless, life must continue. So we are coming to try and look that we must heal fast, so that we can start living together in this country, everybody having a share with other people. When we are paying taxes, we are the same. Part of healing is giving a report post-election, so that you see who did the best. We found that IBC really gave out information. They opened their portal. Anybody could access their portal. You can say what you like, but that portal was available for public access. And then media did a lot. And even the police did a lot. We did not hear anybody beaten. All these things. So this message must now be known. Because in the past, we never really used to diagnose or analyze and say what has happened.